Ayan, so let's proceed dito sa sample problems natin for properties of soil. Ayan, so for this problem, ayan, let's basahin muna natin. Laboratory test on a soil sample yielded the following information. So G is equal to 2.71, G sub M is equal to 1.72, MC or the moisture content is equal to 13%. Determine the following properties. So dito tatlo yung pinapahanap. So yung void ratio, degree of saturation, and porosity ng soil sample natin. Ayan, so isulat muna natin yung mga given natin. So, yung given natin is yung G, or ito yung specific gravity, 2.71. And then yung G sub M, ito yung specific gravity ng moist soil natin. So, 1.72. And then yung MC, or yung moisture content, pero yung symbol na gagamitin natin is ito. Yan. Is equal to 13%. Ngayon, yung 13%, ilipat natin siya sa decimal. So, magiging 0.13. Ngayon, proceed tayo. So, una, yung void ratio. So, letter A, void ratio. Or yung E. Ayan. So, paano natin makuha yan? So, pwede natin gamitin yung moist unit weight. Ayan. Yung gamma sub M is equal to G plus G times moisture content, ayan, divided by 1 plus E. And then, i-multiply natin siya sa unit weight ng water. Ayan. So, pwede natin i-simplify ito. So, ilabas natin yung G or yung specific gravity. Gamma sub M is equal to 1 plus yung moisture content divided by 1 plus E. Yung G pala ito. Yung G. And then, times yung unit weight ng water. Ngayon, walang binigay na moist unit weight dito sa problem natin. So, pwede natin gamitin yung unit weight. So, moist unit weight is equal to unit weight ng water. Ayan. And then, i-multiply natin siya sa specific gravity ng moist ng soil. Ayan, G sub M. And then, pwede natin ito, i-substitute dito. So, ayan. So, gamma ng water times unit weight ng water times this G sub M is equal to 1 plus moisture content and yung G 1 plus E and then yung times the unit weight ng water. Ngayon, pwede na nating i-substitute tong mga value ng mga unit weight ng water. Tapos, 1.72 is equal to 1 plus yung moisture content natin or the water content that is 0.13 and then 2.71 and then 1 plus E. Ayan, so times yung unit weight ng water. Ayan, simplify natin. So ito, ilabas natin to, multiply natin dito. Ayan, so 1.72 times unit weight ng water plus 1.72 tapos unit weight ng water and then yung E is equal to ito, simplify ulit natin to. So ito, 1 plus 0.13 times 2.71. Ayan, so simplify natin. So 1.13 times 2.71. So that is 3.0623. Tapos times natin yung unit weight ng water. Ayan. And then ito, transpose natin sa kabila. So 1.72 yung unit weight ng water times yung E natin, yung void ratio, and then 3.0623 yung unit weight ng water minus 1.72 times the unit weight ng water. And then, i-divide natin both side ito. So, 1.72 times yung unit weight ng water and then 1.72 is the unit weight ng water. Para ito makancel, para yung matira is ito lang, void ratio. And then ito, pwede natin i-cancel itong unit weight ng water. Ito, yan. And then, E. So, solve natin. So, 3.0623 minus 1.72 divided by 1.72. So, makukuha natin dyan is 0.78. Ayan. So, yan yung sagot natin for letter A. Yan yung void ratio ng soil sample natin. And then, next tayo, letter B, degree of saturation. So, dito sa degree of saturation, so pwede natin gamitin yung GWES. Ayan. So, yung formula na GWES, yung yan. Yan, GWES. Para mas madaling tandaan, GWES. So, ito yung specific gravity natin, which is 2.71. And then, yung moisture content natin or water content, ito, yung 0.13. And then, yung nakuha natin na void ratio na 0.78 times yung, yan, yung degree of saturation natin, yung S. Ngayon, para makuha yung S or yung degree of saturation, so, compute natin 2.71 times 0.13 divide 0.78. So, yung makukuha natin dyan is 0.452 or in percent, that is 45.2%. Ayan. So, yan yung degree of saturation ng soil sample natin. And for letter C, porosity. Or yung N. So, yung relationship ng porosity sa void ratio, so pwede natin gamitin yung N is equal to E divided by 1 plus E. Ayan. So, 0.78, salpak natin. So, plus, divided by 1 plus 0.78. Ayan. So, makukuha na natin yung porosity natin. So, that is 0.438 or in percent, that is 43.8%. Yan. So, yan yung mga sagot natin for this problem.